Somebody down here in a truck. I don't know what the truck is doing, but I just heard a loud truck, and I'm going to come down and check it out. Oh, they're in the yard doing something. Oh, they're cutting down a tree? Yeah, they are. Not in Roger's yard. That's in Ellie's old yard. I'll go down and check. Shit, I got time. Oh, hell yeah, I got all kinds of time. I'm a retired guy looking for videos. Oh yeah, they're cutting something down. There's a truck right there. Alpine Tree Co. You know Alpine Tree Co.? Yeah, here comes the sun. Hope you guys are cutting down something. Oh yeah, that tree that she had a pair of them. Ellie, who lived there previously, had a pair of trees. Oh, that one looks like it's got leaves all over it. What are they cutting? Yeah, just cutting down more trees that are in the way back here, because they're not touching that dead tree that's right there on the end of the land. Hang on, I gotta get by Bandit. Smell pine, which is what he is got in his hand right now. They're just cutting back some of the wood back here. Wow. Or was that tree beside the house? There was three pine trees beside the house. I wonder if that's what they're cutting down. Nope, they're still there. As you can see them right there, that two tall ones. Maybe they're cutting down in the corner over here. Huh, I don't know. I can't remember the tree that was back there. There was one tree that they cut here 2 or 3 years ago. A pine tree like that. Now he's dragging a tree. Holy crap. That gonna fit in there? Wow. Oh, now I remember that tree. Yes, it was a cedar tree. It was about a 40-footer. And they cut that down. I wonder if they're going to do that bad one over there, too. I remember that now. Yeah, it was a low-hanging cedar tree. It wasn't big-time bad low, but it was enough I had to put my head down when I mowed through it. You'll never get that up there, buddy. You'll never be able to yank that 25-foot branch. But once he puts that crane on there, that'll pull that baby right up. Should be, that'll put that end right in that chipper. I guess he's not going to do that. Oh, cut the rope. Damn, that's a 6-inch log. That fucking thing must be the Bandit Intimidator. You got it.
I want to stay close.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. I'm alright. I'm allergic to everything but poison ivy. That's right, that pine tree, that was a good 1.5 feet, even 2 feet around at the bottom. That was a cedar. You can smell the cedar now. Now that he's cutting it, you can smell it. It's the end of that tree. Wow. Alright, I guess I'm all done. I've seen enough. Cleaning up the neighborhood. One tree at a time. Yeah, a little clearing today maybe. It was like this morning. Alright, I'm done. No metal.